Hello Travers citizens, I'm Caitlin Watkins of Grand Travers Reiki, here to talk to you about the root chakra and things you can do at home to get it into balance and keep it into balance.
The root or red chakra deals with our physical self and our sense of foundation. It governs the spinal column, skeletal system, legs, feet, rectum, immune system, and the physical aspect of healthy sexuality. Manifestations when out of balance may be negativity, cynicism, eating disorders, greed, illusion, insecurity, living in survival mode, and fear. When in balance, we feel safe and secure, have our basic needs met, have a good sense of our bodies, and a solid feeling of foundation.
Each of the 7 chakras has its own vowel sound associated with it. Ooh, oh, I, e. Now, the point of these sounds is not to sound good. You're not singing like Freddie Mercury. Somebody love. The idea of these sounds is that you are making a vibration within your body that will help resonate with that particular energy center, that particular chakra. So the sound associated with the root chakra is very low vibrational. It sounds rather Neanderthalish, but that's the idea. We're getting back to those basic needs: shelter, food. We can relate to family and career. And we're just making sure while we think or say that sound aloud, that we feel supported by the ground. Wherever we are, the ground has our weight right now. Give your weight into the ground and just feel that resonating within you of Whenever you have the opportunity, as you're trying to bring your root chakra back into balance, keep it in balance, it's nice to take a moment, take a breath, do this vowel mantra while you really feel that the floor or the ground, if you're doing it outside, has your weight. You are supported.
For mountain pose, bring your feet hip-width apart. Feel your feet wide and secure on the ground. Rotate your palms towards the front and let your eyes draw closed. Take a deep inhale and feel the stretch in your spine. You'll notice the little movements that we do that help keep us balanced. Breathe. A more advanced pose is tree, which is like this. You can put your foot down here, or a more advanced student can put it all the way up here. But that's not a comfortable spot for me, so I'll put my foot here. On an inhale, bring your arms up over your head and palms touching each other. Breathe here. You can let your eyes draw closed if you like for an extra challenge. You'll notice it's much more difficult to stay balanced this way, and you may find, that you've got a little trouble. The point of this pose is not to do it perfectly. The point is to get back into your body and be okay when things go awry, like when your camera floats down.
There are 2 main types of food that help get your root chakra back into balance. One is protein, the other are root vegetables. That could be radishes, carrots, potatoes, but today we're going to talk about garlic. A lot of us get garlic in this form. It's already all minced up and ready for us to throw into a dish, but garlic tastes so much better when you roast it. So we're going to start with this guy and roast him up. It's incredibly simple to do. It's fast to do. When you see how simple it is, you're going to wonder why you don't do this all the time. I roast garlic at least once a week all through the fall and winter because you can throw roasted garlic in with anything. Great for the immune system and great for getting the root chakra back into balance or keeping it in balance. So, to roast garlic, all you need is first aluminum foil. Put that down. Put your head of garlic on the aluminum foil. Then take olive oil. Any kind of olive oil you have is fine. Drizzle that on top. Try to rub some of the olive oil all over so it gets all over the layers. We want to make sure that it's coated so that nothing burns. And actually, that's all you really need to do. gonna fold it in. Make a little packet. And then we're gonna throw it into the toaster oven. You can also use a regular oven if you don't have a toaster oven, but it's just a lot less wasteful because this is a very small thing that we're warming. So in the toaster oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes. Time to take the garlic out of its pouch. Ooh. Now we can unwrap what's around the garlic. We're going to keep that and put it in this bowl because next month I'm going to release a video on the sacral chakra and foods that you can do to get that back into balance or keep it in balance, and we'll be making a bone broth. So we'll get these little pieces. The easiest way to peel these is to put them down and smush them with a knife. You get this going, and then you can just peel the outside off. And then you get this lovely roasted garlic that you can throw in with any stir fry, soup, whatever, or you can put it straight onto a cracker. Sometimes dress it up with a piece of cheese. Woo! Delicious. Bonus tip to prevent your hands from smelling like garlic after you've been dealing with them. Run cold water and rub your hands against a piece of stainless steel. Mine looks like a little fishy. This way your next Reiki session won't smell like garlic. Thanks for watching. If you need more help getting your chakras into alignment, be sure to book an appointment at gtreiki.com.